Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to load limited items from Firebase. So here you can see I have a list view which initially displays 15 items, and when I click on this load more users button, it adds 15 more items to it, and when I reach the end it displays this button, and when I click on this button it again adds 15 more items. Okay, and like this I can keep on adding the total number of items in this list. Okay, now you can see there are so many items. So I will show you how to do this in Sketchware. So in Sketchware I have this list view one which displays the list. For this I have set height to wrap content and weight I have set weight to 1, and below this I have a linear one which contains this button 1. In components I have this Firebase DB component called user with data location users. So for name of Firebase DB component is user, and in onCreate I use this top listening block for this, and then I use update query. In update query block I have set a number variable called numbers to numbers plus 15. So initially it will be 15, and when the update query is used again, it will add 15 more items and it will become 30, and when it is used again it will add 15 more items. Then I clear the list, which is list map called user list, and after this I use this code. User is the name of the Firebase DB component. To this I add this code limit to first int numbers. So limit to first, and numbers is 15 here initially, so it will limit to first 15, and then I add child event listener. The name of the child event listener is the name of the Firebase DB component. Here you can see name of Firebase DB component is user, so here I have used underscore user underscore child underscore listener. Okay, if your name of Firebase DB component is different, you have to change it here. So next event which will be executed is on child added, because we have used this update query in onCreate, so it will automatically go to on child added, and here I add the child value to this list map called user list and display the user list in on bind custom view in the list view. So in list view on bind custom view I display the key username. Okay, and I display whether the user is verified or not, and then I have a button click event. So here I have added on button 1 update query. So when button 1 is clicked, it will add 15 more items to the list. And in list view on scroll, here I check, here I have a number variable called last item on screen, and this is equal to the first visible item plus visible item count. So this will be last item on screen. So if last item on screen is equal to total item count, then I make linear one visible. Linear one contains the button 1, and if it is not equal, then I make linear one gone. So that's all in this video. In user on child change, this is the code. So the only code which is required is this code, query code. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.